Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video, girl, we are doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I came up with this look right here. So we are giving you flawless, healthy, dewy skin. I'm giving you a bronze, sultry eye with a really nice black smoked out wing liner and a really nice red bold lip. So I love how this look came out. It is so pretty and it is so on point for Valentine's Day. I just love how the whole look came together. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this makeup look, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this makeup look. So I already did my brows off camera, so we can go ahead and jump right into the eye makeup. So the palette I'm going to be using today is actually going to be the Anastasia x Amrexy palette. I absolutely love this palette. It has such great colors in it. It has your neutrals, it has pinks, it has a pop of color, it has glitter. It's a lot of different formulas in this palette, and I definitely think this is a good palette to use for Valentine's Day. So we're definitely going to dab into this one for the tutorial. So the color I'm going to go into is 1988, and I'm going to take that and blend that in the crease. Okay, so with this shade, I definitely want to create that halo eye shape around my eye because that's what I want to go for. And I'm just going to kind of pack this shade all around there. And we don't want to really worry about blending it out. We just want to pack that on. And as you can see, these shades are pigmented. Like, I absolutely love this palette because I feel like Amrezy really did a really good job with the formulation of these shades, and they definitely blend and perform really well. Just like that. So now we have that shape going on, and now we're going to worry about blending it out. So now I'm going to go in with the shade New Yorker, and you just want to start buffing that around the edges to help blend that shade out so everything doesn't look as harsh and it's nice and blended. And I really like to do this in circular motions and just work my way back and forth blending out that shade. Like right there, you can even see the big difference just by doing that. It's just a little bit more blended out and effortless, and then this side is way more harsh. So that's all we're doing. And with this look, I want to give more of like an easier, more simple look so it can go with a lot more outfits. So that's kind of why I went the neutral route, because you cannot go wrong with neutrals, girl. That can go with so many different outfits. So that's why I want to do something a little bit more universal, because you could definitely just change up the lip or the blush or something to change the color with whatever dress you're going to wear for Valentine's Day. So now I'm going to go in with the shade You Go, and I'm going to take that and blend it on the inner and outer crease. And this color is just going to add a lot more depth to the look, because that is definitely what we're needing, especially since we're going to be doing that halo eye in the middle. We want it to have a little bit more depth around that area. Just kind of blend this on the inner and outer and blend it up into the crease. So let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing yet, but I would love to know what you guys have planned with you and your boo, or you and your girlfriends if y'all are going out or whatever. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to chat with you guys and see what you guys are doing. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Georgina, and I'm going to start applying that to the halo of the eye. I'm just going to start packing that on. Yes, girl. That is exactly what I want. That color is beautiful. Such a pretty color. Definitely goes with the smokiness. Oh girl, Amrezy really did that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start forming that halo shape in the eye. I really love this because this is like a really nice deep bronze gold shade. It's really pretty. It's not too gold. It's not too bronze. I feel like it's perfectly in the middle. and it is really creamy. Okay, so Georgina is cute, but we definitely want to amp it up a little bit, and I think I want to use one of the glitter shades. So I'm either going to use Gemini or Liddy. I want to figure out which one I want to use. One of them is more of a true like gold color, and the other one is more of like a rose gold, like pinkier shade. So I'm trying to figure out, but I think I'm gonna go with the true gold because I feel like it's gonna look really pretty over that bronze shade. So I'm probably gonna go in with Gemini. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Gemini, which is this pressed glitter shade, which is gonna be so stunning, and I'm gonna apply that to the halo eye as well. So what you technically want to do with the shade Gemini is you want to kind of pack that on your brush a little bit, and you want to get some setting spray, because I seen Amrezy talking about this on her IGTV, and she said this honestly is the best way to apply it so it will stick better, but you don't have to, but I'm gonna do it that way. So I'm gonna get some product on the back of my brush, and I'm gonna spray that with my Morphe setting spray because I love this, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top. Ooh, that is pretty. And you just kind of want to dab this everywhere that you applied Georgina at, so you can get that nice sparkle on top of it. And I'm kind of glad they added this new formula in their palettes, because it's definitely different from any of the shimmers and stuff. It's almost like a topper, which I really like, and I feel like some shades definitely need that, and I feel like it's very necessary in this palette. Oh yeah, that really amped up the look a lot. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that glitter is really pretty on top of that shimmer shade. This palette and the Jackie palette, girl, they really did that. So you could just leave it like this, and you could just put on some regular liner and lashes, but I think I want to do a more smoked out liner using the shade in this palette. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade BK, and I'm going to smoke that out as a wing liner. Just want to kind of smoke it out across the lash line. You don't have to be precise or anything like that. So I really like this because it kind of adds more of a softer, more sultry look instead of using a harsh black liner, which I like, and I want more of that soft look, even though this is such a bold look in itself, but this is just going to soften it up. So then when you come out here, you just want to kind of wing it out and just create that wing. But just see how much more softer that looks. Like, that is so pretty. You can see the difference that did. It's just a lot more depth, but it's more soft. I really love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back so we can do the base and finish up the eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. I put on the Lilly lashes in Miami, which I feel like is a really nice lash that I would wear on Valentine's Day. It's a little bit more flirty, wispy, and I feel like it pairs with the halo eye really nicely, and they're definitely one of my top faves. So I definitely had to wear them because, you know, on Valentine's Day, you got to be wearing all of your favorite products, the products that you know is going to hit and is going to have you looking flawless and pretty. So yeah, I definitely love these lashes. So let's go ahead and get into this beat this face, girl. So now I'm going to go in with my Pixi Intense Moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. I don't know where I have been, or have I been asleep on this product, but girl, this right here, if you have dry skin, I highly recommend it to you. I have been using this religiously, and it's definitely going to be a staple that I will keep throughout my makeup routine for a while, because when I tell you that this is definitely an intense moisturizer, it leaves your face feeling absolutely amazing. I swear by this product. I'm telling you, if you have dry skin, you will not be disappointed. You will fall in love. But I'm telling you, this feels absolutely amazing. Like, can you see how hydrating my face already looks? Like, I promise you, you literally don't even need that much product at all. It feels amazing, and it leaves your skin feeling so soft and great underneath foundation. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Melt Makeup Primer. You guys know I swear by this product, and as you can see, your girl is coming to an end on this one. I'm definitely going to pick up another one because this is such a good primer. It leaves my makeup on all night, and it definitely adheres to my foundation really good. So I know my skin is going to be looking extra dewy and looking really nice. So yes, I love this. I'm just going to apply that right in my T-zone and around my cheek area. And I just like to go ahead and press that in until I feel it getting tacky, and then I know we are ready for foundation. So for foundation, I'm actually going to be going in with the Anastasia Luminous foundation. I just want my skin to look very healthy and luminous, especially on Valentine's Day. We want the face to be sitting. We want it to look really nice. We don't want it to look cakey or anything. So I feel like this is a really good foundation for that. I am in the shade 440C, and this is a really good match for me. I definitely want something that is very full coverage for Valentine's Day, and I feel like this one is a really good foundation for that. It blends out so nicely. As you can see, like, look, we still have that luminosity peeking through on our skin, and when we have that set, it's just gonna look so good on, girl. Our skin gonna be looking like butter. And don't forget your neck, girl. You do not want your date or your man or whoever to clock your foundation on your neck. So make sure you are bringing it down. Get all those angles, girl. All those angles. So I'm going to go in with the Pretty Fresh concealer as well as the Tarte Shape Tape. I just want to be a little extra today. You definitely do not need to use both of these, you guys. They both work amazing on their own. But I'm just going to be extra and use both of them because I just like the combination of... I just love the combination of them combined. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face with both of those. I'm firstly going in with the Pretty Fresh concealer. And now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this one. Just right here. And I'm going to go in with my sponge. And I'm just going to blend that out. Making sure everything is seamless and blended into each other. And then I go in with the back of my beauty blender, and this just helps blending the foundation into the concealer so there's no harsh lines around the edges. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass translucent powder. I swear by this. You guys know it is a little bit on the pricey side, but it is so good for dry skin. I'm going to go back in underneath my eyes and blend out any creases. Set and press this in. That's what you want to do, is press this setting powder right into that concealer. Like, I definitely don't like baking, especially with having dry skin. But when you press it into the skin, oh my gosh, it just looks so flawless. Set my chin and my nose. And I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty powder, and I'm going to use the shade Honey to set the rest of my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco Naughty. You guys guessed it, because this is one of my favorites. And I'm going to go ahead and snatch these cheeks up. I love this bronzer, you guys. Like, look at it. It just warms up the face so nicely. It is the perfect shade. Now we're going to jump back to the eye so we can finish up the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go back in with the shade 1988, which was that really nice dark brown shade. And I'm just going to smudge that underneath the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with the shade New Yorker, and I'm going to use that to help blend out 1988. And then I'm going to take a smidge of BK, which is that black shade. I'm just going to add it on the outer part of the lower lash line. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with some blush to add some color back into our face. I'm going to go in with the Buxom Blush, which I love. They're very pigmented. They last all night. And I'm going to go in with the shade Goa. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the cheeks. And you want to be light-handed with this blush. So I'm going to be going in with this Colourpop Super Shock highlighter, and this is in the shade The Real Thing, which is in this beautiful like champagne gold swirl. Oh, this is so stunning. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I love this. I just love the formula on this. It's so buttery and smooth. But I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty Nude 3 Lip Liner, which is my all-time fave. And I'm going to line my lips. They glide on so good. Now for lips, I have two options. I have the Pop Beauty Liquid Lip in Red Velvet. And then I have the Fenty Beauty. This is Uncensored. So I'm trying to figure out which one I should do. I think I'm going to do Fenty. And I'm going to apply this on. Okay, so the last step, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. This is just going to lock everything in and just let your face look more like skin-like and not as powdery. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on. Okay, so this is the completed look and I am obsessed. I honestly love how this bronze eye with the smoky liner pairs with the red lip. Honestly, I just feel like it comes all together and looks so good, and it's definitely really appropriate for Valentine's Day. Like, girl, my skin is popping. We are definitely setting off a look, and I really can see myself wearing this for Valentine's Day because this look is so pretty and it can go with so many different outfits, and I really love that, and with a lot of lip combinations as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be doing for Valentine's Day, or let me know if you're going to do a bold or simple makeup look with your outfit for Valentine's Day. I love to chat it up with you guys in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Come on, join the family. You do not want to miss another upload. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.